Today I'm going to show you guys how to connect your Google Calendar to your HubSpot account. So when you log into HubSpot, this is what your dashboard is going to look like when you start your account. I'm going to come up to here to the settings icon. I'm going to click on that. And then you'll see I am in the general settings. Right now I'm on the profile tab. I'm going to go over here to calendar. You'll see your calendar is disconnected. Connect it and you can access the features of the meeting tool. So I'm going to hit connect my calendar. I'm going to go to Gmail here because that's my provider, and then I'm going to hit connect your calendar. I'm going to accept and continue or connect to Google. I'm going to select my account that I want to connect. You're just going to hit allow here. This is just saying that it's going to be able to put events on your calendar, and then that's really it. You can sign in. A lot of times it's going to make you sign into Google. I'm already signed in, so that's why it automatically connected. But yeah, it's a pretty simple process. From here, I'm going to show you guys how to connect and create meeting links. So look out for that video, and I hope this helps.